What's up, guys? If you're seeing this, go ahead and please subscribe. Give us a like if you can do that. That'd be great. Help support my channel. In any case, to continue from our last video, we're going to basically, well, we were talking about changing all of this and opening up the hatch in the back and replacing this entire board. The owner doesn't want to do that. I think it's going to dry out, and there's really just like about another foot or so. That is not really a structural part of the boat, so, or integral, we'll say. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pull out a little bit more right up to the bulkhead. It's about 3 or 4 inches in there. I'm going to dry that out real good with a heat gun. Pull the rest of this crap out of here and dry it up with a heat gun and some lamps. And what I'll do is I'll take a chunk of wood and seal it first, as opposed to just going ahead and replacing the whole thing. That way, if my piece doesn't dry, if there's moisture in there that's trapped, I can just pull that little piece out instead of the whole repair, or try to cut wet spots out or something like that from parts that didn't cure. So over the years, I've just decided that this is how I do this when we got to seal up a wet area. So I'm going to put in a piece of core ring or a smaller piece of wood just to seal this side with my repair away from any moisture from the wood that we're not going to replace. And I've talked it over with the owner, and what we're going to do is just drill some holes on the opposite side, which I think he's done already, and let it kind of dry out on there on its own. Maybe replace it later. For now, we're going to stick to this. It's about a 4-foot piece. And I'm going to finish popping out the rest of this area.